like straight gas. Alright, see what we got here today, man.
The Wawa Foundation and the Wawa Foundation are committed.
Yo, be quiet. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is one of the first times I filled up for 125. This is great. This is great. What's going on, everybody? If you're new to the channel, my name is Corey. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the Buddy Club short shifter. I'm going to be telling you guys whether it's worth it or not, whether it's worth the investment. But you can find the short shifter brand new for like $140, $150 online. Honestly, I think if you have the extra money laying around and you want something for your daily driver that's not too much or doesn't cost too much, that's another thing with this short shifter. It makes downshifting so much fun. I would say it's something that's worth it if you have the extra money laying around. You want a full race setup, you want your gears really, really short, and you want that race feel, then go with something like Acuity. But I think this for daily driving gets the job done. Throws are still a lot shorter, don't get me wrong. Don't get it messed up, you know, the throws are still short. It feels good, man. Downshifts feel really nice. Honestly, it just makes driving experience feel a lot smoother. I do also plan to get the shift linkage for this car, and this is gonna be absolutely nice. Downshifting is so fun, bro. Another thing about this short shifter, it's bolt-on installation. Fits OEM, it replaces the OEM shifter. The installation's easy. I say for the price, if you have a 9th gen Civic and you just want a better feel and you're not willing to drop however much the Acuity is, I think it's like 400 or something for a brand new shifter, this will definitely get the job done. And it's not cheap. Like, it lets you know you're in gear. I like it. Nice and short. The shifter makes downshifts just, they feel more crisp. I wouldn't really be able to explain it, but this is a short video for today. That is going to be it. Keep up with the content on this channel. Just subscribe. Just like the video. I'm gonna see y'all next time. I'm out of here. We gone. Leg out.
Now I grind like a madman's teeth. Let the inner beast out the confines. Hey, I'm not like the rest of them. Not in your control. Leave it to God. Don't ever stress on them. Always count your blessings. They gon' hate cause they got less on them. Evil all inside them. I know like I just dissected them. Music got them lessons because life be always testing them. They take it for granted. Now I'm working like a Mexican.